Have you ever felt trapped in the aftermath of narcissistic abuse, wondering if you'll ever reclaim your sense of self? Recovering from narcissistic abuse is a deeply personal journey that requires time, patience, and intentional effort. Narcissistic abuse is not a fleeting wound. It is a calculated form of manipulation that can leave lasting emotional and psychological scars. The process of healing often takes longer than the abuse itself, as it involves unraveling the complex layers of pain, betrayal, confusion, and loss of self. The impact of such abuse varies from person to person, but its effects can profoundly alter one's thought patterns, behaviors, and overall approach to life. For some, the trauma may be so severe that it requires months or even years of dedicated therapy to fully process and move forward. However, healing is possible, and it begins with a shift in focus from the abuser to yourself. Below is a refined guide to navigating the path to recovery with clarity, strength, and hope. 1. Embrace self-discovery and self-love. The foundation of healing lies in knowing, understanding, and accepting yourself. Narcissistic abuse often erodes your sense of identity, leaving you questioning your worth and reality. Recovery starts with rediscovering who you are and defining what you will no longer tolerate. This process is not just about healing wounds, but about uncovering your strengths and aspirations. To foster self-discovery, prioritize self-improvement in all areas of your life. Adopt a healthier lifestyle by nourishing your body with balanced nutrition and regular exercise, which can enhance both your mental and physical well-being. Engage your mind by reading inspiring self-help books or biographies of individuals who have overcome adversity. Immerse yourself in uplifting experiences, a concert, visit a festival, or enjoy a quiet evening at the theater. These activities can shift your emotional focus, helping you break free from the lingering pain of the past. By creating new, positive experiences, you reclaim your life and begin to rebuild a sense of joy and purpose. 2. Establish no contact. Cutting contact with the narcissist is a critical step toward healing. This can be challenging, especially if you share responsibilities such as co-parenting, family ties, or a workplace. However, severing ties is essential to reclaiming your peace. No contact does not mean engaging in conflict or publicly disparaging the abuser. Instead, it is a quiet, dignified withdrawal from their influence. By refusing to engage, you deny the narcissist the attention and drama they crave, effectively starving their need for control. To implement no contact effectively, block all forms of communication, phone calls, emails, text messages, and social media. Resist the urge to respond, even when provoked, as any interaction fuels the narcissist's manipulative tactics. This boundary allows you to create a safe space for healing, free from their lies and emotional manipulation. While the initial separation may feel daunting, the long-term benefits of reclaiming your autonomy and mental clarity far outweigh the temporary discomfort. 3. Accept the reality of the abuse. Acceptance is a powerful step toward recovery. It does not mean excusing or condoning the narcissist's behavior. Rather, it involves acknowledging the truth of what happened and releasing the burden of self-blame. Accept that you were subjected to abuse, that it was not your fault, and that the narcissist is unlikely to change. This acknowledgement is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength and resilience. Allow yourself to feel the full spectrum of grief, anger, sadness without suppression. Bottling up these feelings can prolong your suffering, while embracing them fosters healing. Recognize that recovery is a gradual process, and be patient with yourself. Seek support from trusted friends, family, or professionals who can provide a compassionate ear. Joining a support group can also connect you with others who share similar experiences, reminding you that you are not alone. By accepting the past, you pave the way for a brighter, healthier future. Seek professional guidance. Therapy can be a transformative tool in processing the trauma of narcissistic abuse. Finding a therapist who specializes in narcissistic abuse recovery is crucial, as they can offer tailored strategies to address your unique experiences. Therapy provides a safe, non-judgmental space to explore your emotions, unpack the abuse, and rebuild your sense of self. If a therapist does not feel like the right fit, don't hesitate to seek another who resonates with you. In therapy, you may engage in practices such as journaling, role-playing, or exposure therapy to process your trauma. These techniques, combined with coping strategies, can help you manage triggers and rebuild emotional resilience. Over time, therapy can empower you to reclaim your narrative and develop a stronger, healthier mindset. 5. Embrace positivity. Nature, and simplicity. Shifting your focus toward positivity can counteract the negative thought patterns instilled by abuse. Surround yourself with uplifting people who inspire and encourage you. Engage in activities that spark joy, whether it's watching a comedy, painting, or dancing to your favorite music. These moments of lightness can gradually reshape your mindset. Spending time in nature is another powerful way to heal. A walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by a lake can reduce stress and ground you in the present moment. Nature's calming influence helps quiet the mind and fosters a sense of peace. Similarly, embracing simplicity can declutter your life, both physically and mentally. Practice minimalism by letting go of unnecessary possessions or commitments. Create a serene environment that supports your well-being, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. 6. Prioritize self-care. Self-care is the cornerstone of recovery from narcissistic abuse. It involves nurturing your body, mind, and spirit to rebuild a strong foundation for healing. Incorporate practices that promote relaxation, such as taking warm baths, practicing yoga, or receiving massages. Prioritize physical health by eating nutritious meals, staying active, and ensuring adequate rest. These habits not only boost your mood, but also enhance your resilience. Engage in hobbies that bring fulfillment, whether it's gardening, writing, or playing an instrument. Spend time with loved ones who respect and value you, and set firm boundaries to protect your energy. By investing in self-care, you affirm your worth and create a life that reflects your values and aspirations. 7. Reframe negative thoughts and overthinking. Narcissistic abuse often leaves behind distorted thought patterns and a tendency to overthink. Reframing these thoughts involves identifying negative beliefs, questioning their accuracy, and replacing them with positive, realistic perspectives. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," challenge this by recalling your strengths and accomplishments. Mindfulness and meditation can help you stay anchored in the present, reducing rumination about the past. Practices like deep breathing or body scan meditations can calm an overactive mind. Engaging in joyful activities, such as listening to music or pursuing a creative hobby, can also distract from negative thought cycles. If overthinking persists, professional support can provide additional tools to manage these patterns effectively. 8. Move beyond the narrative of abuse. While educating yourself about narcissistic abuse is valuable, excessive focus on the topic can keep you tethered to the past. Consuming endless content about narcissism may trigger painful memories and prevent you from moving forward. Instead, learn what you need to understand the abuse, then shift your focus to healing and growth. Recognize that the narcissist has likely moved on, and lingering in their narrative only prolongs their influence over you. Empower yourself by choosing to let go. Educate yourself, seek the support you need, and then redirect your energy to building a fulfilling life. Healing is not about erasing the past, but about reclaiming your power to create a brighter future. Protect your mental and emotional health by focusing on your growth, celebrating your progress, and embracing the possibilities ahead. Final thoughts. Healing from narcissistic abuse is a journey of rediscovery, resilience, and renewal. It requires courage to face the pain, strength to set boundaries, and patience to rebuild your life. By embracing self-love, cutting contact, accepting the past, seeking professional help, and prioritizing positivity and self-care, you can break free from the chains of abuse, reframe negative thoughts, let go of the abuser's narrative, and step boldly into a future defined by your strength and worth. You are not alone, and with time and effort, you can find peace, happiness, and a renewed sense of self. Keep moving forward. You are worth it. You have the power to break free from the shadows of narcissistic abuse. Step into your strength, reclaim your peace, and build a life that shines with your true worth.